The first step is to remove the pre-installed cord pipe cap. The pump has a flow control dial at the front. We recommend setting it to full strength. Before installing the pump cord, take notice of the attention label regarding drip loop at the end of the cord. Feed the cord through the center pipe. Retrieve the cord from the bottom of the pedestal. Be sure the cord fits in the groove notch. Gently pull the cord to remove the slack, making sure that there's enough cord left for the pump to sit squarely at the bottom of the reservoir basin. Packaged inside the orb, you'll find the cord and the tubing for the pre-installed LED light. You'll feed that light cord through the pipe in the same manner as the pump cord. We're going to pull that excess slack out of the cord. However, we need to make sure that we leave enough cord in the top basin area to create a drip loop. This means it has to be long enough to go into the bottom of the basin before it goes back up into the pipe. It's very important to use that cord pipe cap to seal those cords in place and prevent any leaking. Make note that that pipe is at the same level as the shelf that holds the orb, so you don't want to fill it past that point. You can now go ahead and attach the tubing to the pump, making sure that that pump's going to go back down into the bottom of the reservoir basin. You'll now connect the light cord to the external power supply or transformer. Make sure all your connections are tight, and note that this transformer is rainproof but should not be submerged in water. You can now double check, making sure your cords and tubing are all in the right place, and prepare to fill the reservoir basin with water. For optimum performance, you're going to want to keep that water level at or just below that shelf where the orb sits. Again, making sure that you don't fill it past that cord pipe cap. When fitting the orb in place, make sure the LED light is firmly seated in the top. Making sure that your power cords are plugged into a properly rated outdoor socket. We recommend using your hand to evenly distribute the water across the entire surface of the orb.